Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyanka and in today's video I'll be sharing the daily learning sheet which I use for my son. Currently he is in a nursery class, so I'll be going through each and every sheet along with you guys, so it will give you guys an idea of how I teach my son and it will be really helpful for you as well. So let's get the video started. So this is a daily practice sheet which I do along with my son on a daily basis. I sit with him and we do the revision of this sheet. So let's go through this sheet one by one. The first sheet is introduction. It is all about myself. Every child should know the basic things about himself or herself, like my name is Adit Johari. I am a 3 years old. I am a boy. I study in class nursery. My school name is this, my mother's name is this, and my father's name is this. This is a very basic and introduction sheet. Now let's move on to the second sheet. This sheet is about fruits. So I have written all the fruits name in a colorful form so that the interest of the child keeps on maintaining and they don't get bored. So like apple, cherry, grapes, orange, mango, kiwi, pear, banana, papaya, pineapple, peach, guava, plum, lychee, pomegranate, blackberry, fig, watermelon, muskmelon, coconut, apricot and star fruit. So there are a lot of fruits which I revised my son. Then after that the next sheet is about the flowers. So I have written some of the flowers. These are very basic one like sunflower, rose, lotus, lily, marigold, poppy, jasmine, orchid, daisy, dahlia and tulip. And I have not mentioned the pictures in any of the sheets because my son is well versed with the photographs. He understands how sunflowers look, how rose looks. So I have not mentioned the pictures. But if you have your kid who is smaller, who is younger, then do include the pictures along with the sheets. It will help them to remember easily. Next sheet is days of the week. So there are 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And the main motive of making this sheet is I also teach my son about the spellings, like along with the days I also teach him what is the spelling of Sunday. So Sunday, that is why I have written them in the capital format. It is easy for them to learn it. After that the next sheet is about the continents. So it's Asia, Australia, Europe, Africa, Antarctica, North America and South America. So the next sheet is about the body parts. I have included all the body parts like head, hair, cheek, nose, chin, eye, ear, mouth, jaw, shoulder, chest, elbow, hand, finger, stomach, arm, knee, heel, foot, toe, thigh and butt. So I have included all the body parts. So I teach them along with the body part the spelling as well in this sheet also. Next sheet comes about the birds. So there are the basic like peacock, hen, cock, kiwi, owl, eagle, cuckoo, emu, turkey, vulture, kite and penguin. So these are the birds which I teach them. After that this is a phonics sheet. It's all about alphabets like a, b, k, d, e, f, g. So this is a phonics sheet which I practice along with my son. This is very mandatory sheet. Next sheet is about the animals. So these are very like animals are very common: monkey, bear, panda, zebra, giraffe, elephant, wolf, fox, deer, yak, hippopotamus and rhinoceros. So this sheet is about the animals. After this the another sheet is about the vegetables. So like animal, fruits, vegetable, birds, these are very common things that every child in nursery or in LKG or UKG must be knowing it. So I have mentioned the vegetables here like cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, brinjal, potato, tomato, onion, carrot, bottle gourd, pumpkin, capsicum, peas, ladyfinger, ginger, garlic, spinach, mushroom, bitter gourd, radish, mint, coriander and beans. So there are a lot of vegetables which I have mentioned in this sheet. After that, this is the planet's name. My son is very fond of the planets of the universe, so I have included this sheet. He knows all the 8 planets. Earlier there were 9 planets, but now Pluto is not considered a planet because of the dwarf. It was very small, so though they have removed Pluto. So I have only mentioned 8 planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. After that, the sheet is about the vehicles like car, bus, fire engine, ambulance, truck, tank, tractor, scooter, motorcycle, bicycle, bulldozer and electric train. So in this sheet I have not mentioned the air transport or the water transport. I have only mentioned the vehicles like on land transport. After this sheet, another sheet comes. This is months of an year. So there are all the 12 months like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. This sheet also, along with the months, I teach him how to learn the spellings. That's why I have written them in capital and I have made these sheets very colorful. Now this is a sheet about the general knowledge about the India. Like we live in a country India, so our kids should have a basic knowledge like what is the national flag, what is the national currency, national river, national flower. It is not mandatory, but it's good to know information. So if your child is well versed with the information about their country, it's always good. So I have written national animal, national bird, national anthem, national song, national reptile and national sweet. Another sheet is about the states and capitals. So I have written all the states here and all the capitals here. This is a little bit tough for the kids to remember, but still slowly and steadily if you will revise them on a daily basis, they will definitely going to remember it. And the last sheet is about the shape. So I have written lot of shapes and I have also drawn the pictures so that it is easily for them to identify like square, rectangle, triangle, circle, star, heart, cross. They are very easily identified by kids, but when it comes to like pentagon, hexagon, heptagon or octagon, they sometimes used to get confused. So that is why I have included the shape so that I can tell them how many sides are there and it is easily for them to remember. So this is the daily sheet which I practice along with my son on a daily basis, and when you practice anything with your kids on a daily basis, they never tend to forget those things. So I would really suggest you that do these things on a daily basis with your kid as well. And I have also provided the link of the sheets in the description box. So if you want, you can download these sheets and you can start teaching your kids. I hope you like this video. So that's it for today's video. If you like my today's video, then please hit the like button and also write a comment in the comment box so that it motivates me to make more videos. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. See you soon.